Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to waterproof a shower prior to putting tile. This is part of my bathroom remodel series video that I'm doing, where I'm taking my guest bathroom and fully remodeling everything all by myself. Let's begin. First, you're going to take some mesh tape. You can purchase this at your local hardware store. I'll have links to Amazon below, and go through all the seams and tape them. So for this project, I'll be using Aqua Defense waterproofing. It's by the brand Mapei. You can find it at, I believe Lowe's sells these. I'll also have another link below. I bought it at a store called Floor & Decor. It is very easy to use. You just use like a screwdriver or something to prop open the lid for the first time. It kind of sits on it pretty tight and has a good seal. And then you just basically take a brush and start spreading it onto the seams and all the screw locations. When applying waterproofing, don't be scared to put a thick coat, especially on areas like the corners or the seams. You want to make sure you kind of push it into through that mesh. That way it creates a nice barrier. And then anywhere you see holes or anything like that, go ahead and just smear it on with a nice layer. Again, the purpose of this is to protect your shower from any leaks or anything like that. The better job you apply it, the better protection you'll have. Obviously, you don't have to paint the entire wall. You're only doing the areas where you could potentially have water seeping through. Typically for the notch locations, since you have all those corners for your shelf, you would want to paint all of that just to be on the safe side. Since it is up against your drywall, you definitely don't want to have any water problems there. So it's safe to just paint the entire niche. And also I recommend painting the bottom maybe like about a foot off the ground. That way, again, this is where your most wet area gonna be, so it's good to have the best protection there as well, just to be on the safe side.